Hey everyone, back yet again with another unboxing of round 2 products. This one's the Johnny Lightning delivery. So here's version A to start with.
I hurt myself.
And you don't want that.
Oh no, it's hard to open. Usually they're easier than that. Satisfying crack. Okay, well they're not going to be in order, so.
That's fine. So up first we have the 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona, and this is the muscle car and Corvette Nationals series with Hemi Orange. It's not bad at all. Very nice casting. Not too bad of a color.
There's number 1.
Then we have the 71 Ford Torino Cobra in Grabber Blue. Little head scoop on that one. Then we've got the 1967 Oldsmobile 442 W30 in aquamarine poly. Pretty nice. Then we have the 65 Pontiac GTO in straight black. Always like the GTOs. Nice white interior to go with the black exterior. And there's the 69 Chevy Corvette 427 in Gamut Red. Not bad, pretty nice. For all the Corvette fans out there. And then we have the 69 Chevy Copo Camaro RS in Azure Turquoise Poly. Color palette I don't think really goes with what's on the car, but we'll go with it. Okay, so that's version A. On to version B for the alternate colors of each of the castings.
Okay, let's see if I can't find number 1. Bear with me a second here. Nope. Why are they never in order?
Because then it wouldn't be fun.
Okay, well, you get number 4 and I'll figure it out.
Why number 4? Why couldn't you just go for like 6?
Fine, quit your complaining. There you go.
See? There you go. We'll go backwards. So here's the recolor of the 69 Copo Camaro. This time it's in Fathom Green Poly. There we go. That color kind of matches the casting on this one. Even though through the blister it looks kind of black. And the recolor of the 69 Chevy Corvette 427 in Tuxedo Black. Not bad. Then the 65 Pontiac GTO in Blue Mist Slate Poly. I think I'll take the straight black one. And then I've got some rim variations too. Then the 67 Oldsmobile for $42. This time in antique. I think that's pewter. Sure, we'll go with it. Very nice. Oh yes, the 69 Dodge Charger Daytona. This time in black. That is very nice. Not bad at all. And then the 71 Ford Torino Cobra in Grabber Lime. Yeah. Definitely not a fan of this Grabber Lime color. And then there's both A and B versions beside each other. So there you have it. That's the Johnny Lightning unboxing. As always, thanks for watching. Happy hunting, everyone. Till next time.